Hey girlies, it is about that time we bring out the bust down middle part, straight jet black wigs. Y'all know this is the time to do it, okay? So let's just get into it. All right, guys. So as you guys can see, we are here with Asteria hair. Y'all know I love me some Asteria hair, but we're just gonna do a quick unboxing. It comes with a melt band. It comes with a HD wig cap. It comes with a edge brush. You can do your edges, lashes if you want some lashes. Guys, so let's get into the details of the unit. Of course, y'all know it's straight hair. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. Of course, it's HD. Look at this lace. Okay, as you guys can see, the knots are bleached. The lace is plucked. Like, come on, Asteria, give it to the girls. It's 24 inches and the density is 200%. Baby, yes, I need all the density I can get, especially for straight hair. I'm obsessed with thick density. Okay, the cap size is a medium, but look how gorgeous this unit looks. Y'all cannot say Asteria did not do that dang thing. All right, so this is the back of the wig. Of course, it was windy out, so don't mind the flyaways, but y'all, it is giving. It's super duper gorgeous. All right, so we're gonna first start off by prepping the lace. I'm going in with some wax just to put on the hairline. I love that this wig comes already done because, like I said, y'all, I'm still very much under the weather. I ain't had time to be doing all that stuff, so I'm so happy that Asteria did almost everything for me. Like I said, the knots is bleached, the lace is pre-plucked. The part is there, the middle part is already there. I did straighten it up a little bit. So now I'm just going to go in with my Andis hot comb on the setting 20, which equals to 450. And I'm just going to gently and lightly hot comb the lace. I also love that the lace is HD. I'm here for some HD lace. So off camera, I did go ahead and tint the lace with my cream foundation. I used Ruby Kisses in the level 12. And look how good this blends in with my forehead. So yeah, that has been my go-to product lately. And I'm just obsessed over that cream foundation. But we're just going in to cut off the lace. When I cut my laces, I do have my head tilted all kinds of ways because I cut fairly close to the hairline. Because I just feel like the less the lace, the better, in my personal opinion. I'm also going in to make a part on my or around my ear so that the end of the lace would fit perfectly around my ear. I don't like having all that extra lace or just lace in general sitting on my ear. Like, no. Do y'all not see what I'm saying? Baby, it's giving straight scalp. It wasn't laid down. Y'all thought that was laid down. It wasn't. But anyway, y'all, I'm just going to go in. I was lifting up the lace for one just to see how my natural hairline looked underneath. I was trying to see, let me customize this one to my actual hairline to see what it give. It was kind of looking crazy here, but I'm telling you, it's not. It's going to look together. Watch. So now we're getting to installing my lace. To install my lace, I always use just a lace spray, and I'm just using Eben's lace spray. I will have this particular one listed in the description section below. I'm just going in and take my blow dryer on a cool heating setting. For full lace frontals, I like to work in sections because I feel like it's easier for me to install. So we're just gonna lay the center down first. I'm making sure my lace is flat. I did have a problem with it rippling. I feel like I was holding it too tight, so just be careful and be mindful that if you stretch your lace too tight, you can get that ripple effect. And I always be screaming at y'all about it, and I did it here, but y'all have to give me some slack too because I wasn't feeling 100% this day. But that's neither here nor there. That the install is still going to eat. So I'm just going to continue this process throughout the entire hair. But this looks so good, y'all. Look at this. I love me some HD lace because y'all see, look at this. Look at this. Don't play with her, okay? All right, so now we're going to put her up in a little claw clip and we're going to double band. Now, I don't remember if this day I used my Even Lace Melt. I probably did, but it was not. I don't have no footage of me doing it. Now I'm just detangling the hair for the first time, and y'all see my paddle brush is just guiding through that thing like freaking butter. I did get a few tangles on this section, and I also got a few at the nates, but once I fully detangled, baby, it was flawless. Now I did state, or I don't know if I state, but I did not wash and condition this hair, y'all. I installed this straight out the pack, super soft, super silky. Baby, I cannot complain. The density is 200%, and I love it. It's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's just right. I did lightly mist the hair with some heat protectant, and it was my Silk Element spray, and it just added to it. Like I said, it already had its own luster and shine, so you don't need like any type of silk. But it is what it is, y'all. This hair is just my favorite, and like I said, it's bust down middle part season, and this wig, I'm gonna have this wig on. Baby, Asteria did that. I didn't have no complaints. As far as shedding, of course you're gonna get shedding. It was not too much. It was just the normal amount of shedding. All right, so this is going to complete today's install. Like I said, it was super quick. It was super easy, not hard at all. A bust down middle part. I do go back and add some baby hairs, just 2 swoops on the side just to see what it would look like. But do y'all not see how full, thick? Look at this beautiful wig. When I tell you you need this wig and you won't be disappointed, I promise you, you will not be disappointed. I get this wig a 10 out of 10. It surpassed my expectations. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's install. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And all the information in regards to this unit will be listed down in the description section below. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.